All right, well, I don't even think I did an intro to this video. I just got right to work and did the job that I needed to do, but I'll wrap it up here at least and show you exactly what we got done. As you know, I've had, issues with this, as the water comes down this side here, of course, it doesn't have anywhere to go, so it just creates these craters, these ruts all the way down through here. So I've cleaned them up a couple times, but they come right back. So hopefully this will help. But what I did was I put in some of that 4-inch perforated tubing that I had left over from doing down below, from the field drain system I did down below in that marshy area. Don't think it's really big enough, honestly, but it'll help at least. So that now goes underground here with stone on top of it. Up here, I'm more worried about the sediment because this is just, it's always washing down. I'm worried about that kind of plugging up my drain. But I took a bunch of the field stones that have been kicking around, threw them down in there. I don't know what that'll do, but tried to get it so it would direct into this tube and shoot out down that way. So I don't know. I don't know that that's really going to be the best. I think ultimately what I've got to eventually do when I decide I'm truly going to finish this road, this driveway, I've got to make it so it still slants quite a bit this way. So I'm probably getting more water over there than I want. I really need to slant it this way more and let it just go down all the way, and we'll just keep taking it down, and I'll make that bigger and bigger. I need to widen this out a little bit more still from the last time. It doesn't take long. The erosion just, starts up, and that's what happens. So as you can see, down here is where it comes out. So hopefully I've got it enough of an angle here that the water will run through I don't think that'll be an issue. I think it'll be more sediment building up over time. But maybe when I eventually build and fully built out here and move in, I'll actually put in a much bigger pipe, or by then maybe I'll know what I'm doing better and get it to work. So had some issues with the Bobcat today. I didn't really film that, but I've been planning on taking it home anyway, so I'm going to do that soon and work on it. But I was having issues with the hydraulic quick tatch, or bob tatch, excuse me. Bobcat calls it bob tatch. The hydraulic bob tatch, these arms just weren't going down, and so I ended up having to put a lot of lube, WD-40 down there to free them up, and eventually got them moving again. I just detached the whole hydraulic piece itself from this post right here, and it's got a bad seal in here, so that'll be one of the projects I'll work on when I take this home, is fixing that seal, as well as fixing the air conditioning. That's the goal, at least, and it needs a good cleanup. So just general maintenance type stuff. But of course the John Deere, that's the bomb. That thing is still running great. So that did a great job today as well. And yeah, I think that's it. So I'll wrap it up here. Thanks so much for joining me. Thank you for helping me create things, fix things, and enjoy God's amazing creation outdoors in this beautiful 21 plus acres off-grid property. It is just gorgeous. It's getting to be that perfect time of the year too, where the temperatures are much better. It started out in the 50s this morning. It's probably in the mid 70s right now. And anyway, it's been a fantastic day. I've got other things I'm going to try to do, including getting that thing loaded up. I don't know that I'll record that, but I'll get that loaded up on the trailer and have that all ready to go, and then I'll be back up tomorrow to haul the whole thing down to the house. So that'll be a future video of me working on that some more. And anyway, thanks again for joining me. Have a fantastic week, and I will see you on the next project.